Good Thursday evening. Doing a little Thursday update because the rain looks like it's going to hit us tonight. As you can see, we've got some different materials in here and a lot of materials gone. So these are all our pavers. Most of the field stuff there. You really can't see them, that's going to be the border. But that's where we wound up. Hopefully we get to work a little bit tomorrow, but who knows. So walls are up. It's a seating wall level. Got the column in. Gotta let everything kind of set. We'll cap both of these. The undermount lights and patio. Right there is going to make a pretty spectacular view for this one. So stay tuned. We still got a long ways to go to get everything, but we'll be back in here tomorrow or Monday. Have a good weekend.